in style. Forward bay parking. Imagine this. A coveted parking space sits vacant, but it's a bit of a distance from your car. Don't fret. Forward bay parking can be your secret weapon. Mastering the maneuver, choosing a starting position. The key here is understanding your car's limitations. When driving forward, it's like a bull in a china shop, less nimble than a car reversing in. So, give yourself some breathing room. Start at least 2 car lengths away from the empty spot. The further you are, the smoother the park. If you're approaching from the left, be aware that you might need to inch into the oncoming lane momentarily to position yourself correctly. But don't worry, it'll all be worth it for that prime parking spot. Parking in a bay in forward motion is done the same way from the left and right side. Here, we will discuss parking with a left turn. We will be guided by the car parked in the next parking spot. The driver moves straight forward and looks at the left side mirror. When the mirror is in line with the headlight of the car in the adjacent space, the driver turns the steering wheel all the way to the left. The car turns in the direction of the parking space. Pay attention to how your car's back end is located in relation to the space. The difficult moment here is that if you do nothing and continue to move, you will fail to fit into the dimensions of the parking spot. To avoid this, the driver proceeds as follows. When the front corner of the car is inside the parking space, the driver turns the wheel to the right and directs the corner of his car to be parallel with the car parked next to it. When the back end of the car ends up in the middle of the parking space, the driver turns the wheel to the left and gets the car parallel to the marking light. This method requires some training because the driver has to be familiar with the outer dimensions of his car and realize how the car is located in the parking space.